Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of My Brother's Keeper. Guys, I don't have a heart to watch My Brother's Keeper anymore. I think I don't have a heart to go through this season again. Yeah, it looks like Umamchunu has died of heartbreak. It looks like Umamchunu has finally succumbed to heartbreak. Umamchunu died the same death as his sister because of a cheating husband, because of an unfaithful husband, because of a husband that is unable to prioritize his own. And Mamchunu's life will be hanged in the balance. I do not know, I do not care how Umseleku is going to cope with this thing, but what I know is that I cannot take another heartbreak. Yeah, but ke uThidi has found out ukuthi uThoba nalo girl bayababhizi. Thidi is advising ukuthi abakhathe nje bathi athi cima very fast le nto enzakala laphayana because it's not going to end well. Cimani nje very fast, it's not going to end well. Makazi. Umakazi is still not for the relationship kaNqubeko no Fakazile, right? And because of obviously the things that Ufakazile has told Umakazi about the Shabalala family and all the things that they did to her. Now, this is the importance of shutting up to your family members until such a time that you know Uguti, you are out and you are out for good. Because you blab your mouth to them, this is how they will react. The plans of the wedding are still continuing, but will the wedding or the renewal of vows rather between Ukhathazile not Dongal Gamavuso continue considering the circumstances that are currently happening in the family? And vele if Mamchunu is no more, will the ceremony or the renewal of vows continue?